Hello and welcome. Welcome to the series of 3 videos that I have prepared to help you to start your health, weight loss, fitness and transformation journey. Why only 3, you ask? Well, there's loads more things to focus out there. I could be sending you hundreds of videos and hundreds of information, but I'm a big fan of simple things and small steps. Big goals, but small steps. So I always try to reduce the overwhelm rather than just to confuse my clients even more. So I'm going to share the strategies that I share with people that work with me and guess them the results. So what are we going to talk about here? I'm going to share a couple of strategies about the things that really need to be paid special attention when you're setting out on your journey. And at the end in the last third video, we'll share a strategy that, if applied consistently, yields results for every single person that follows it faithfully. So today, in this first video, I would like to talk about water. I know I keep going back to this one, but I could not underestimate how important this is. Okay, so let me start from the beginning. I'm a big fan of understanding the why behind the what we need to do, and I think for any long-term kind of a transformation, we need to really know why you do things that you do. So we know that water is made out of 2 components, okay, which is hydrogen and oxygen, and don't be afraid, I won't make it too complicated, too techy. So hydrogen and oxygen are the main components, the main 2 elements required for healthy metabolism, okay? And all metabolism is as well, like, you shouldn't be afraid of this word because many people don't really understand what it is, but it's just a term, like an umbrella term for all these different chemical reactions happening in your body. So if you want things to work well and smooth in your body, water, hydrogen and oxygen, H2O, is one of the essential components for you, okay? So metabolism determines how fast we burn calories and how much energy we produce as well. So therefore, if you feel lethargic, if you feel tired all the time, if you feel like you haven't got enough for doing things that you want to do in life, drinking water is going to help you massively. Okay, so when your body is dehydrated, the important things to remember: when your body is dehydrated, it will burn calories at a slower rate. When your body is dehydrated, your internal organs and your skin will take impact as well. It won't be as healthy. You will have less energy if you are dehydrated. So if your body lacks water, you will feel more tired, more lethargic, and less energized. Water is the means that your body gets rid of all the byproducts produced by the metabolism. So all the waste, because think, like, once the calories get burned, there's always some sort of waste out there. So for your body to cleanse itself, it needs water. All right. I have one of my clients, Phil, one of the guys that probably started with me now a few years ago, and he says, "Ed, I don't understand how I lived for 39 years on this planet and no one really explained me how important to drink water was." So, and he says it changed his life. So please, 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 if you're going to follow any advice, just make sure water is going to be the first one. So how much of this goodness do we need? Right, well, I would say between 1.5 liters to maybe 2.5 liters. It really depends on your muscle mass, on your activity levels, on the food that you eat as well, because unprocessed natural food will contain loads of water in itself. So maybe you won't be required to drink as much as a result of it. So just really depends. I think a good place to start is 2 liters of water daily, and drinking those in the morning as well. So in the first part of the day, because you want this metabolism, you want all this energy really supporting you through the day, okay? And then don't leave it for too late because it will keep you up all night as well, okay? So how, like people say, like, right, okay, well, what are the strategies? What can I do to drink more water? So I always say, like, just trying to build in like little things, like, for example, maybe once you get up, walking straight to the kitchen or your fridge or whatever you get the water from, And drinking a glass or drinking 2 glasses of water even before you go to the shower, before you go away to work. So buying one of these plastic bottles, like one of those, for example, and just having it sitting on your desk. And it's going to be like a constant reminder for you to drink water. Another good strategy is to always make sure you order a glass of water before you have a meal at the restaurant or at work in the canteen, or even before you have dinner at home. Then you can have maybe a little bit of juice or something like that, but always make sure you drink a big glass of water. Okay, I hope this one helps for you. So don't forget to drink water, and I'll share another strategy in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.